right, I stopped the HO scale train, but now I'm running the N scale train. It is still raining. I only have one power pack out here, so that's why I'm using that one. But as you see, it is raining and this N scale locomotive is running. Maybe if I get it at this angle, you can see the raindrops. It's a decent amount of raining. It's starting to slow down now. Look, we got water. We got water and we're having fun. That's what trains are meant to be. Fun. Pushing the limits of model railroading.